Alright, blizzard 2011, 2 to 3 feet snow drifts. Probably ended up with 15 to 18 inches of snow. Pretty hard to measure. Been out here for probably 45 minutes snow blowing. Just now got through to our streets. Neighbor plowing the driveway for the first time with a good 2 feet of snow on the driveway. Doing well. Here's our first major drift. That drift was about 26 inches. And then it just piles up into a valley in the side of our yard. And then I'll go into the backyard, stepping in 20 inches of snow. There's that drift up to the house. We have a drift on our deck, which is hard to see, but that's about 30 inches up to our deck window. And here's our backyard full of drifts to 20-25 inches. And here's our backwoods, which you can see we've already walked through testing the drifts. Highest one back here was 26 inches. As I'm almost up to my knees right now. That's our famous snowplow hill in the dead end, which hasn't been that high since the '99 storm, and will probably get bigger once the plows come back out. Here's from our backyard, or woods looking to our backyard. Thankfully the snow is fluffy, or else it would suck the shovel and walk through. Almost everyone is out snow blowing right now. We have some tree branches down from our birch trees. We probably gusted to 55 miles per hour easy last night, with maybe some higher gusts. Definitely the worst conditions I've ever seen and might ever see. Walking around the house, another tree branch down right there. Some big drifts in our front yard. We're still getting considerable blowing and drifting snow, gusts to 30 miles an hour or so right now. But the sun is out, and now back to snow blowing.